Hi, my name is Ken Corliss, and we're going to be doing a short film today on the 12 days of Christmas. And I know we're going to get it right this time because this is take number 462. Here we go.
Hey guys, it's Deb from Bowl Me Over. Thanks so much for joining me today. As you can see, we've been doing some special filming today, and I'm here in my folks' house, and this is my mom. Say hi.
Hi.
And so we're filming today the 12 days of Christmas sweets and treats. I'm trying to keep Christmas easy for you, and for the next 12 days, you're going to have a new video every time we film for each day of a new Christmas treat. Perfect for holiday trays, to give us gifts, all those things. And I thought we'd start off our 12 days of Christmas with one of Mom's best treats, and that is chocolate covered cashews. Guys, these are amazing. They're super simple to make. Let me walk you through the ingredients first. So because we're making chocolate covered cashews, obviously we need cashews. And are these salted, Mom?
No, I don't think so.
No? Okay. Lightly
salted.
Lightly salted, which actually goes well with the chocolate because it's so sweet. We're going to need some peanut butter chips, some chocolate. Well, this is milk chocolate chips.
Strictly choice.
What is it?
You can have dark chocolate or milk or...
Oh, okay. Okay. So we could do dark chocolate, we could do milk chocolate, semi-sweet. So you prefer milk chocolate?
I did that time, yeah.
Okay.
That's what they had.
Okay. Chili powder. Now don't think because we're putting chili powder in, it's gonna be hot. No, like the chili powder just makes chocolate taste better. So it's a really good combination with it. And then a little bit of canola oil. And what's the canola oil for, Mom?
Just to keep everything
kind of smooth.
Yeah.
So it just makes it really, the chocolate to get even more luscious, I think is the best word for it. So that's all we're gonna need for the recipe. We'll be right back. Okay, so Mom, what's the first step?
First thing, I would put my oil
In there?
in here, yes.
Okay.
And this is just, you just need to do it so that it blends everything together good.
Okay, so that's a tablespoon of oil?
Yes.
Okay. And then do you put the chips in next?
Go ahead,
Or the
yes. Put all the
chocolate
chips
chips?
in.
Okay. So chocolate chips. And peanut butter chips. And then you stir those together.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Make sure all that oil gets all over everything. And I'm cheating here because I know her next step is to put in a quarter cup. That would heat it up. A quarter of a teaspoon of chili powder. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that over the top. And we're gonna give it another good stir. And you can do this a couple of ways. And actually my recipe in the blog shows to do it over a double broiler. But we have since discovered melting it in the microwave is a ton easier. So that's what we're gonna do next. And I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And it's gonna look like nothing's happening. But every 30 seconds, we're gonna stop, we're gonna open it up, we're gonna stir the chocolate chips, and even though it doesn't look like they've melted, suddenly they do look melted. So if you just put the chocolate chips in there and you kept it for like 2 minutes, it would scorch the chocolate and it would still not look like it's melted. But it's the stabilization they put on the outside or in the chips. So you can see it's actually already starting to melt just a little bit.
It's getting warm.
And Mom's being real careful to like go down to the bottom and pull it back up. And that way we know it's, we're working it all the way around. And now we're gonna put it on for another 30 seconds. And we're gonna keep doing that until the chocolate and peanut butter chips are completely melted. How long does it usually take?
You know, I just usually do it by myself and I don't even think. I think it takes about 2.5 minutes.
I bet so, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna keep doing our thing until this is completely melted, and I'll show you what it looks like there at the end. So we're gonna keep filming. So this has been about 1.5 minutes, and it's not quite as melted as we want, so we're gonna do it again.
You know, it looks smooth, but it's got still a few lumps in it. So
So we're gonna hit it again,
do it one more time.
but each time we're stirring it when it comes out of the microwave. So as long as you're paying a little attention, looks like this time it's gonna take us probably 2 minutes and 45 seconds. But you know, if you do it on the stovetop,
It takes longer.
it does take a lot longer. And you also, if you get water in the chocolate, it will seize the chocolate. So you have to be really careful that you don't seize the chocolate. Now see how nice and luscious and creamy that is? That's exactly what we're looking for.
Pour them in.
Okay, so now the next step is to add our cashews, and these are 2 8-ounce containers of cashews, lightly salted. So there's one, and number 2. So again, we're just stirring it really good. When I say we, I mean Mom. Stirring it really good. We're making sure that we get chocolate on everything.
Including me.
And hopefully not her white shirt. And once we get that all combined, we're gonna take our handy dandy cookie ice cream scoop and drop it onto our cake pan. So let's hang on just a quick sec. We're gonna rearrange some stuff. We're gonna clean up some of the mess we've made, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now we're ready, and we're just gonna scoop out the chocolate cashews and put them onto our prepared baking sheet. It's just a baking sheet. We have it covered with parchment paper. And why do you do that, Mom?
So that things don't stick and it's easier to get out. You can just makes it look a lot nicer.
Yeah, cleanup's easier.
Cleanup's easier. I'm always good for good cleanup.
Easy cleanup is a must. So these are so rich that a little goes a long ways. So this is just like a little tiny ice cream scoop, and that's exactly what you want for this. Let me get you in a little closer. So obviously Mom's doing all the heavy lifting today. But I would tell you this, Mom has made these for how many years?
Oh,
Forever?
quite a while.
Quite a while. And isn't it something you usually take to
I take it to potlucks and yeah.
Yeah. And isn't it just about the first thing gone all
It
the
is.
time?
People, one time, one of the guys hid them so that he could take them home.
Oh. One of the guys here in the park?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. So you can see it makes a ton. So they're just terrific. They're great for the holidays. We can package them up.
Or anytime.
Or anytime, yep, all year long. But especially, you know, for what we're doing here, it makes a wonderful gift. They're terrific on cookie trays. Super yummy. So we're just gonna continue doing our thing here. Mom's busy doing, like I said, all the hard work today. And we're almost done. I'll be back in just a minute. Hang tight. Mom had a good tip I just want to share with you really quick. When you're using the cookie scoop, even as opposed to 2 spoons, there's a couple of things. You can keep them a lot more uniform in size, but that clippy thing, you know, like when you open and close it, it's just a lot easier on your hand if you're making a whole bunch of these, and obviously this makes a whole bunch. So we're all about the ease here too. And see how simple that was? And this one's done. So, Mom, do you put these in the...
Put them in the freezer for an hour or so.
For an hour? Just make sure the chocolate's really set?
Yep.
Wonderful. So that's what we're going to do next. So we'll be back when we get to try these, okay? Okay, our chocolates are done. These are the chocolate-covered cashews. Mom's recipe that we've been making for years and years. And now all we have to do is put them in a pretty plate, or oftentimes what Mom does is she puts them in little snack
Little
bags.
snack bags.
Yeah, snack bags, and then puts them in the freezer. And that way, whenever you want something sweet, you can just pull them out of the freezer and enjoy. So that's how easy this is. Now, who wouldn't enjoy that on their cookie tray? Super yummy, huh? So, okay, be sure to join us tomorrow for our second 12 Days of Christmas recipe. We're really excited about that. I'm doing that at my house tomorrow. And then if you have any questions, all the instructions, all the ingredients are down below. Check out the blog, www.bowl-me-over.com. And we'll see you tomorrow, okay? Oh, make sure you like and follow, because if you like and follow, you'll be notified when the next video is live, which will be tomorrow. See you then. Thanks, Mom.